continue our video today. I want us to look at the names of our family members. How do you identify or address your family members in Igbo language? Let's start with our father. Our father. Now in Igbo language we call our father Nna. That's what we call Nna. Father in Igbo means Nna. Now when you say my father, it means Nnam. My father means Nnam. You put there. Nnam. But when you say father, father in Igbo language means Nna. Now when you say mother, mother in Igbo language means Nne. Nne. When you say my mother means name. Name. Now when you want to talk about somebody else, you say Nnagi, that's your father. When you're referring to somebody else's father, you say your father. Your father means Nnagi. Nnagi. Your mother means Nnegi. Nnegi. My mother means Nnem. Your mother Nnegi. Our mother means Nne anyị. Nne anyị. Nne anyị. Our father means Nna anyị. Nna anyị. Now we also call mothers mama and fathers papa, but in correct Igbo language, father means Nna. My father Nnam. Your father Nnagi. Alright. We now come down to our brothers. Brother means both brother and sister is referred to as umunne. Umunne. Brother nwanne nwoke. Sister nwanne nwanyi. Brother nwanne nwoke. Sister nwanne nwanyi. Now when you want to refer it to yourself, you say my brother nwanne nwoke. My sister nwanne nwanyi. My brother nwanne nwoke. My sister nwanne nwanyi. Now when you talk about my siblings, generally both boy and girl, you say umu nnem. Umu nnem. They are my siblings. Ha bo umu nnem. Ha bo umu nnem. Now, but if it is just you want to address them one by one, nwanne nwoke, my brother. Nwanne nwanyi, my sister. Now talk about your uncle. Uncle means nwanne nnam or nwanne nnem. That's nwanne nnam nwoke. You know, uncle, you talk about a man. He should be a male. So you say nwanne nnam nke nwoke. Nwanne nnem nke nwoke. Then your aunt means nwanne nnem nke nwanyi or nwanne nnam nke nwanyi. Nwanne nnem nke nwanyi. Nwanne nnam nke nwanyi. Now talk about your cousin. Your cousin means nwa nwanne nnem. Nwa nwanne nnem or nwa nwanne nnam. Nwa nwanne nnem or nwa nwanne nnam. That's your cousin. Now talk about your grandfather. Your grandfather in Igbo language means Nna nnam. Nna nnam. Nna nnam. You know, your grandfather can come from your father's side, and it can also come from your maternal side. That's your father's side or your mother's side. So if it's coming from your father's side, you say Nna nnam. If it's coming from your mother's side, you say nna nnem. So, but generally we call it nna nnam, nna nnam, grandfather. If it's your grandmother, nne nnam or nne nnem, depending on where the grandfather and the grandmother is coming from. If it's coming from your grandfather's side, it is nne nnam, nne nnam, nne nnam from your father's side. If it's from your mother's side, it is nne nnem, nne nnem, nne nnem. That's my grandfather, my grandfather, nna nnam, my grandmother, nne nnam or nne nnem, depending on where they are coming from. Then we have family members. Ndị ezinụlọ m, my family members. Ndị ezinụlọ m, ndị ezinụlọ m. That's my family members. Ndị ezinụlọ m. Alright, we'll be stopping here today. We'll continue next time. Alright, bye.